Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to talk a little about 5 useful and fun gadgets that you can create with a 3D printer and that you should print. All of these gadgets were printed with my Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, and all the models were downloaded from the website Thingiverse, and in today's video I am going to show you 5 of the things that I have 3D printed that I use pretty much, maybe not every day, but I use them a lot. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Let's start up with number 1. This is a PlayStation 5 controller stand holder, or a PlayStation 4 I guess works, but I can show you how it works. This stand holds my controller when I'm not using it, and I have printed about 4 of them because I have around 4 controllers I think, and it works quite well. It is designed for PlayStation 5 controller, but it works with the PlayStation 4. As you can see, it works like this, and then you just have it like this, and you can put your charging cable right here and charge your controller while you're using it. So yeah, it works very good, and it is quite a good stand, and it also has PlayStation logo printed on it, and it prints like this, and it takes around maybe 3 hours with my Ender 3 Pro printer to print, and that is on a 20mm layer. So that's number 1. Let's go over to number 2. At number 2 we have a little cannon gun here. This is just a fun toy that you can shoot small things like balls with, and I can show you how it works. Here I just made a ball with some paper, and I'm going to try to shoot it, see if it works. As you can see, or maybe not, because it was not in slow motion, it works. It doesn't shoot that far, but it is a fun little toy, and you can make it bigger if you want to shoot for further distances and want to shoot bigger things. But this is just a fun little toy that you can print, and it only takes like, this size of it took like 5 hours to print, because it has a lot of details on it, as you can see. And that's also on a 20mm layer with my Ender 3 3D printer. And that was around 15% infill. Next up we have a piggy bank. And this is useful for if you want to save some cash. Not that we use cash that much now in 2024. But if you have some bills or some coins, you can save it in this little piggy bank. It doesn't hold that much, but it is a fun little piggy bank that you can use for storing your money. And the bad thing about this is that you have to break it when you want to get the money, because it doesn't have anywhere to take out the money unless you shake it like this. And you can also make this bigger if you want to have more cash in Cura or whatever software you use. And this took like 3 to 4 hours to print, I think. It was a long time ago I printed this, but yeah, I think 3 to 4 hours. And that's also on 20mm layer with my Ender 3 3D printer. At number 4 we have a adjustable phone holder, phone stand holder I guess. As you can see, you can adjust how much you want to tilt it like this. Just align these ridges, or I think here, and just align them to have your phone there, just like this, and you can have your phone like this or like this at whatever angle you want. And as you can see, it works well. The holes kind of falls apart, so you should not shake it, but it works. You can press it, it works. It's good, and you can, as I said, adjust it to whatever angle you want. If you want to have your phone like this, I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can do it. and this is like at a really steep angle. Yeah, it's hard to show, but as you can see. And you can also have it like this if you just want to watch TikTok or something, almost like 80 degrees standing up. So yeah, adjustable phone stand that you can choose whatever angle you want. Just press it in and change the angle, so yeah, you can watch your movies or TikTok or whatever app you use with this stand, and just put your phone like that. Last but not least, we have the quite functional USB port and SD card slot holder, and this you can put a lot of USBs in, and it holds them for you, so you don't have to go looking for your USBs. You can just put them in this and have it standing like that. And you can have, in this particular one, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 USBs and 4 micro SD cards and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
regular SD cards in this bigger slot here. So you just put it in like that, and here down here you put your micro SD cards, and up here you put your regular SD cards. So yeah, this was all the things that I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel down below, and see my other videos about tech and different gadgets and stuff that I review and test out. And if you want me to test something, please write it down in the comments, and I will test it in the next video. So yeah, thank you for liking this video, and thank you for watching this video. And yeah, if you liked it, please subscribe as I said, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.